Jai Shri Gurudev. Okay, in previous classes we already discussed about the different categories of bridge course: algebra, trigonometry, sets, all these things, number line system, already discussed. In this class, now I am going to explain the coordinate geometry. Okay, it's a combination of geometry and algebra. Okay, so how it will be seen? So first you have to know this bridge course is very useful for first PUC students. Why? Because if you know these things well, means you can able to grasp the first PUC mathematics syllabus very easily. That's why. Okay, my dear students, please go through this one. See, first concept, what is this means? First have to, in two-dimensional geometry, already you know two-dimensional geometry. We have two axes. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. X-axis and y-axis, y dash and x dash. These two, the system divides these two x and y axis into the four parts. See, these are the two axes now. This is x axis and this is y axis. X axis, y axis meet at one point. This is called horizon. Okay, 0, 0 point at the end. Okay, 0, 0. This is positive x axis. You can consider as 1, 2, 3 like that. We can divide 1, 2, 3 like that. It is a negative x axis, -1, -2 like that, and so on. It will move like this. Okay. It is positive y axis. This is negative y axis. Okay. This is meeting point of x and y is called the horizon. Okay, my dear students. I think you all learnt in previous classes in 10th class. Okay. This is we call it as some coordinate system. Analytical geometry, coordinate geometry, analytical geometry ಅಂತನೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Coordinate geometry. Okay, x axis, y axis. Understood? X axis and y axis divides the system into the four parts. Already explained in last video. Okay, into the four parts. First, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Is there first quadrant? These parts are known as quadrants. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Okay na? See, what is the use of this? Means if you know this, it means all mathematics concepts will be based on this only. So many concepts. That's why first you have to know these things. Okay, next. See, what is the positive, what is the negative, in which quadrant? Already told, another time you can see. Here, by understanding, by understanding only you learn. Don't make it bad. Okay. Positive, no, x axis positive, y axis also positive. So therefore, we'll write it as plus, plus. Both x and y are positive. Okay. Next, we will move to the second quadrant. This is first quadrant. Okay. Next, we will move to the second quadrant. This is second quadrant. Second quadrant. The numbers are how the sign will be means. How it will be means, first we have to take x axis. Now x is how? The negative values are there. Negative, so therefore minus. Okay. Y values are how? Positive. See, positive. 1, 2, 3 like that. 1, 2, 3. Positive. This is positive y axis. So therefore plus. Okay. Next. So this is third quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant and third quadrant. This is the third quadrant. Okay, my dear students. Observe this. If you observe this one means, see, how it will be x axis. X axis is positive. See, positive and x axis, how it will be x axis? Not positive. So x axis is negative. See, this is negative. Had to analyze like that. Okay, and this is how it will be negative. This is negative, -1, -2 like this. This is also minus minus. Both are negative. Where? In third quadrant. In second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive. Understood? Now, we will move to the fourth quadrant. See, fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, okay? See. X axis, how it will be positive, positive plus, comma, and y, how it will be minus. See. Okay? So, you should not by heart, okay? You by heart model. You analyze model question. Number of times division. Both are plus, both are negative. Here. First quadrant, third quadrant. In second quadrant, first minus plus, plus minus. Okay, the fourth quadrant. Like that, how many quadrants are there? We have 4 quadrants. We have 4 quadrants. Understood or not? So, based on this one, we have to know. So, based on this one, now I will explain some concept related to this one. If you know this one means, in first PUC one chapter is there, straight line chapter. It will be very easy. Okay, that's why. Okay, my dear students. Understood? Now, I am going to explain one concept called plot the points. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಹೌ ಟು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಸಿ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ನೌ ಸಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಾವು ನಂಬರ್ನ ಹೌ ಟು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಸಿ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಓಕೆ let us say 2 comma 3 okay minus 2 comma 3 2 comma minus 3 okay minus 2 comma minus 3 numbers are same. I am changing the sign. First you have to know this one. Okay, if you know this one means it will be very easy in further classes. Okay, my dear students, let us say positive x-axis. Now this is positive x-axis. This is origin, meeting point of x-axis and y-axis. This is origin harmonic total. Okay, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that you can consider. Okay, next positive y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like that you can take any. Here negative x-axis -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 like that. -1, -2. This is negative y-axis. Okay. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 like that we can first we can write the numbers on x-axis and positive x-axis, negative x-axis, positive y-axis, negative y-axis. Okay, and this one is origin 0. Okay, 0, 0. We have considered 0, 0. Let us take 2, 3. How to plot that 2, 3? First, 2 consider from x-axis 2 here. X-axis 2 is there now. This is 2. Okay. Next, 3 from where? Y, positive y-axis. Okay. 2 and 3. See, this point is called what? 2, 3. Like that you have to plot. My dear students. Go through this one. 2 from x-axis, 3 from y-axis. Understood or not? Have to know this one. Okay. Next, -2, 3. Minus x-axis is minus. X-axis minus means what? A. Minus x-axis minus 2. This one -2. And y-axis is what? 3. So this one 3. So it lies in where? In second quadrant. This is -2, 3. -2, 3. So this point is it lies in where? In second quadrant. Both are positive means first quadrant. So negative, positive. -2, 3. Okay. Next we will move to the next 2, -3. 2, -3. 2 positive. 2 positive. X-axis here. 2 positive and what is y-axis? -3. So y minus. So therefore here. So what is this point? Positive 2 and negative -3. -2 -3. Which quadrant it is? It is fourth quadrant. And -2, -3. -2 x-axis -2 minus 2 and this is minus 3. Okay, and this point is that minus 2 comma minus 3. Understood or not? So same numbers 2 3 2 3 2 3 only 1 minus 1 plus, both are negative, 1 minus 1 plus related to the x and y axis. Okay, if you know this one means it will be very easy. So it is just see, this is very easy also. Okay, but don't neglect. Okay, please learn these things, it will be very useful in first PUC. Okay, so this is the system of plotting the points in the coordinate geometry in 2-dimensional geometry. 2-dimensional means with respect to x axis, with respect to y axis. So for suppose you take different points and plot. Okay, you get some idea related to this one. If you know knowledge also, you have to do, okay, in order to develop the concept. Okay, next we will see the next one. Let us take one number. 0 0 is origin number. Here this is 0 0. Understood? 0 0 will take. First suppose the students facing the problems, when are doing the problems, what is that problem means I will tell. Please listen, very very important this one. So many students it's easy idella heltare angella, so we have to know fundamental. Your bridge or otherwise your foundation is good, no, your building will be good. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ? ಸೊ ಯುವರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಯುವರ್ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಒನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು, ದಿಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಥ್ರೂಔಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೆರಿಯರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ 0,6, 0,5, 0,2. It comes, so many students are facing the problems. Okay, my dear students, 0,6 ತೆಗೆದು ಬರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ y ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೀತಾರೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ x ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸರ್? ರಾಂಗ್, ಹೆಂಗೆ ರೈಟ್? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸಿ 0,6